Today we talk about how can you use Booking app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just log in for your Booking app. You click on your Booking, then it's going to take you into your Booking app. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, click on sign in. So I'm going to skip this. Just click on sign in. Then you will find here sign in or register. When you click on it, it's going to show for your email. Then you sign up with your email. It's going to show for you like this. Here can you connect with your Facebook and here with your Google. So I'm going to connect with my Google here. Just click connect. Then it's going to sign in with you like this here, like you see now. So then when you just click on search here, then it's going to show for your home. It's going to show for you like this. So then here we will go to talk with details here on your app. You just click on my account here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Here can you find all notification you have or your activity here in this list. So then here in this list, can you just go down into here, we found your rewards in the wallets. Just click on it. Then here can you find your wallet here, your credits in this list. So can you find it here? Then we will go back here and you just click on payment methods. Here can you add your card? You just click on add card here. So then here add your card in this list, your card name and here card number, then expiration date. Then we will go back again here to talk about another here details. So you click on personal details here. So then here can you change your name, your gender and your date of birth, and here can you find your address. Can you change your address here, your phone number. So here if you want to add another address, so then here can you change your name and your nationality here. Can you change it? Then we will go back here again. So then when you just go down, you will find here security settings. Just click on it. Then here can you just enable two-factor authentication in passkey. Then here active sessions and here delete your account. So then we will go again and you click here, you will find here auto travels. You will find here, so here can you add or edit info about the people you are traveling with. Can you just click on add new traveler here and here can you add it in this list. Can you follow all this list here, then you click on add new travel, then it's going to add with you. So we will go to back here and you will find here devices preferences. Just click on it. In this list can you manage your app. Here can you change your language and here your currency, your units and temperature here. Then can you manage notifications and appearance if you want to add light mode or dark mode here. If you want to disable or enable block screenshot of sensitive info here. So in this list, we will go back again here. We will find here travel preferences. In this list here, can you manage here accessibility requirements here in this list. So then we will go back again. In here, can you manage your email preferences. So here, can you find here log out. Can you just log out here? Click on it, then it's going to take you out of your account. In here can you find list your property in this list. Can you just click here on list your property, and here can you list it your property here. So it's going to take you your Google here, then it's going to show for you like this. So I'm going to skip this and we will go back to our accounts, and I'm going to show you how can you so book in your list. You just click on search here, so that here enter your distance, and here can you enter here your So day and months here, your time, and here room and how many person or children here. Then you just click on search. I'm going to add here any country, for example, like this. For example, I'm going to add it. So then here can you select here dates, and you just click on search. Then it's going to show for you here like this. I'm going to click in this like this here. Then you just go down here, and here can you find all information about this property here. So then it's going to show for you, sorry, we'll go back. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and here can you select price for 2 adults here. So in here you will find it. If you want to select this here, this price, just click or select in customs here, and add number of rooms. Then you click here on next step. Then you click here, sorry, you click here on confirm here. Then you will just click on reserve. Then it's going to reserve with you here. They say it's only takes 2 minutes here. Then automatically it's going to reserve with you on your booking app. So that's all you have to do to receive here on your booking app. So like you see here in this list. So then here can you find your bookings. You will find all bookings you have active in past and cancelled here. And here can you add new booking here. Then here you will find all saved bookings you have in this list. I have this saved bookings here, and can you save this or have saved this booking here like this. So if you want to save it, just click on this heart here. Then it's going to save with you. Can you add it to new list or just add it to another collections you have? So that's all you have to do here, like you see here, to save. And here, so we will go back to show for you another step. When you just click on search here, here can you add car rent. If you want to rent car in this list, can you rent it here? Add here location and drives edge and date. Here if you want to get taxi in this list, can you just get here? So that's all you have to do to use your booking. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.